Welcome to Flourish Legend. Flourish Legend is a leading provincial manufacturer that integrates the production of prototype, CNC machining, injection mold, sheet metal fabrication, and metal stamping. Flourish has over 50 automated production lines, hundreds of high-precision machines and equipment, and an elite team of more than 200 people. We have won many awards from government agencies and has gradually become a well-known foreign trade production enterprise in Guangdong Province. So far, our factory has obtained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and strictly adheres to international quality production standards in product processing and quality control, with the business philosophy of customer-centric. Flourish Legend have served over 3,000 clients in the past 14 years and created value for each of them successfully. By providing personalized solutions and excellent customer services, Flourish Legend has a well-established management system to ensure production efficiency, quality stability, and team collaboration. We emphasize the training and development of every employee, continuously enhancing the team's professionalism and technical capabilities. Through internal training and external collaborations, Flourish Legend will continue to focus on innovation and development. We will continue to invest in R&D and technical improvement to meet changing market demands and provide customers with more competitive solutions. Flourish Legend, shaping excellent quality, creating legendary achievements. Let's join hands to embrace a glorious future.